Hi, it's me, the credit realtor, and I am here today to share with you how purchasing a car can kind of stall your home buying efforts. So I specialize in helping people become homeowners by helping you manage your credit and your finances. And one of the main things that I see to almost always be an issue is what? Cars. We love them, we want them, they feel good, we're in them a lot. However, a lot of the times we're driving around in a mortgage payment. So it's a fact that most car payments are like $450 and up. I've heard of them be as high as $1,200. I've seen them. You might have seen the meme. If I can find it, I will post it somewhere so that you can see it. And it literally shows a person with a Dodge with like $25,000 worth of interest paying $66,000 for a car. Like, are you crazy? Do you know how many like rental and investment properties you can buy for that much money? Anyway, not going to stay up on the soapbox. But what I'm saying to you is you can always purchase a house, usually, and then get a car. But it's very difficult in some people's instances to get a car and then purchase a house. Shannon, tell me why. I'm glad you asked. The reason why is because debt to income. So in case you don't know, debt to income is the amount of debt that you have compared to your income. When you're going to a mortgage lender, they're looking for a certain amount of debt to income. The lesser it is, the better, the more house you can buy. The higher your debt to income, the worse it is, the less amount of house you can buy. So let's use the example that I just said. Let's say that you have a $1,200 car payment, right? And let's say that you have like a threshold of about, I don't know, let's say the total amount of debt that you can have is maybe $3,000. As far as monthly payments, or that's how much they qualify you for, then you've effectively removed just about half of what you can have. Now, be mindful that when they are doing debt to income, they are going to take the amount of your total debt payments, not the total debt payments compared to your income. All right. So if you are a person who is really, I want to buy a house, but you might be one of those people who have a $1,200 car payment, or 8 or 7 or 5, or just can't afford it, or just don't want to. Or you may have been told, hey, we can't do this because both me and my spouse have car payments and we can't buy a bigger house and we really, really need it. Then the best thing that you can do is work on your credit so that you can refinance your car. If you refinance your car, then you can typically get a lower rate, and that can help you with reducing your DTI. So you will effectively still have something to drive, but you will also reduce the amount of payment that comes out from the car so that long term you can get more. I'd much rather have a beater, as they would say. Y'all know I have my mom van. I call her my mom to this day, right? So y'all know I'll get a beater, $2,400. I don't owe her nothing. I carried around with her for 4 years, and I just got a new car. And it's still not even new, but it's new to me. So I call her G2. So you just want to make sure that if you're going to do these things, that you're prepared. So if you get ready, you ain't got to get ready. You know what I mean? If you are ready, you ain't got to get ready. I think that's the way that they say it. So one of the ways and one of the things that you can do is make sure that if you know that you are about to hit a snag, or you know that you want to purchase a house and you know your car is like coughing a little bit, love on her a little bit longer. Get your house and then get a car. Because if you get a car before you get a house, it might drive you over the edge with your DTI, and then you won't be able to get a house at all. And I don't want to see people living in their cars, but some of you are driving around in your mortgage payment. So I hope that this helped you guys today, that you understand more about DTI and the steps that you could take when you're trying to purchase a home. Again, my name is Shannon, the credit realtor Payton. I am an agent at eXp Realty in Delaware, and I help you become a homeowner by teaching you how to manage your credit and finances. And typically most of my people are able to do that in a year. If you like what you've heard today, do me a favor, subscribe, click the notification button, share it with your mama, share it with your aunties, text it to your friends, post it on Facebook, whatever you got to do. Help me help more people. I got goals. 100 people is what I want to help this year, and you guys can help me do that. So thank you.